In Beaver Builder AI, we can use an MCP connection to build sites by linking to standard AI applications like ChatGPT and Claude. To set up an MCP connector, go to the MCP Connector tab in the Settings tab of your WordPress dashboard. Follow the tooltip link to GitHub. Down here under Assets, you'll find the MCP Connector plugin to install and activate on your site. The next step will be done in your AI agent. In this case, I'm using Claude, and connectors are set up in the Customize tab. So from here, I'll click into Connectors. To add a new one, click the plus sign, add Custom Connector, and after your name, go back to the MCP area of your Beaver Builder AI dashboard, authorize the site, and grab the URL to paste into Claude. Now I'm going to work on the site using Claude Desktop. I added some instructions to my project here, which is time saving, because I don't have to re-enter the same prompts every time. And each time you run into a pitfall, you can update the note to try to avoid that the next time around. When using MCP to work with the full array of Beaver Builder modules, it can be useful to use a more advanced model to power through the complexity of the task. By default, the MCP workflow will use a combination of Beaver Builder modules unless other requests are made. I'm asking Claude to take this cards template I created and restyle it with one of the design systems I have on this site. Another tip is to work with labels in the outline panel. So if you have labels put on your rows, columns, and modules, you can use those labels to communicate with the agent changes that you want on various items. Once a design system has been applied to a page, the colors are now available in the Global Styles panel for that page. That's it for this introductory demo on using the MCP workflow with Beaver Builder AI.